For lunch today, what do you think about making a repeat dish? I was thinking birria tacos.
No, we're doing ramen.
What?
The ramen was clearly better.
No, it was the birria tacos.
Or good, I'd give you that, but not better
Good.
than ramen.
Good.
Good.
Good. Bro.
That's not what I said.
Bro. I will make both. Shut up!
Rude.
Both is good. Okay, Birria Ramen. Fusion action. Gonna get that started. So, first thing, you brown our 3 pounds of beef shank. I cut this into more manageable pieces. Seasoned it with a little salt and pep. I'm just gonna brown that up really, really nicely in a pan. Little by little. And we're gonna dump it into our Instant pot. Sorry, Ninja Foodie pot. Over here, we have 3 cups of beef stock. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Anaheim chili flakes. Gonna add 4 garlic cloves to that. 4 rough chopped Roma tomatoes. Really want to get that nice and brown. It will not taste the same if you don't. Okay, we got our 4 Romas in there. Gonna take a jalapeno. Seed and devein that boy. Toss it right in there. And 1 whole, medium-ish Spanish onion. Just gonna rough chop it. I'm gonna puree that entire mixture anyways. So just a quick rough chop. Simmer that for about 10 minutes. Okay, we got some good brownage on our beef shank here. Just gonna dump that in the pot and into the next batch. Very, very important. Brown this stuff really, really well.
It's okay, it's part of the recipe.
Now, while we're waiting for round 2 of our beef, I'm going to rough chop another onion. Medium guy. Add that to our pot. Alright, 1 rough chop onion. Got about 1.5 inches or so of ginger right here. We cut that into thirds. We'll strain that out in our consomme afterward. Not gonna worry about peeling it perfectly. It's gonna be good anyway. Okay, batch number 2, good and browned up. Dump that in there. And right back at it with the next batch. Now, I'm going to add 3 bay leaves to the pot.
Why 3?
Because.
Okay.
That's why. Okay, the rest of our beef is nice and browned up. Dump that in the pot. As you can see, we've got some delicious fond going on in there. What's that? Fond, the brown goods.
The fond.
So, I'm gonna take something, scoop out some of our juice here. Deglaze that pan. Get all the goods out of there.
So we are collecting said fond.
Yeah.
I see. I see.
Right back in there. And most of the goods are gone. Okay, now I've got the contents of our pan that simmered away up in our Ninja here. We're gonna start. MSG. Give it a half tablespoon because it's delicious. Come on. Now since we're making ramen, instead of adding salt, we add soy sauce. Do a quarter cup. We might need to add more later. We won't find out till then. Okay, next on our list of herbs and spices, Mexican oregano. This is a must. 2 teaspoons. That's the good right there. Okay. Next, a pinch of cloves. A little goes a long, long way. Cinnamon. Not much at all. You know what I mean? It's not going to be good if you have cinnamon flavored ramen. It's just not. Next on our list is cumin. Half of a tablespoon. And lastly, some dried thyme. 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna blend this up in the Ninja, and then we're gonna pour it over top of our beef and onion and bay leaves and ginger and cook it.
They look so happy and they're dancing.
Smells it. Oh boy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next we are just going to dump that at the top of all of our other goodies. Quick mix. Damn. Another quarter cup of soy sauce. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. All right, move this out of the way, get that ripping. Okay, we get our lid on. Locked and loaded. We're gonna go pressure on the old foodie here. High pressure, 1 hour. Okay. Make sure our vent is closed. We're closed. And go. Yeah. Okay, our meat is finished in the pressure cooker. We're now going to take our high-end ramen noodles and cook them. Yes, they are the 22-cent joints you get at Walmart. Why? Because it's going to be good. That's why. Don't worry about it. While those are cooking, we're going to give our goods a taste here. Oh yeah. Here. Where you at? Clear our meat, just falling off the bone right there. Alright. Chop some of that up. Don't really need to. Probably cut it with a spoon. that's way spicier than I expected, and I'll tell you why. We couldn't find ancho chilies or New Mexico chilies at the stove, so we found the ground up Anaheim chilies. And apparently those are way hotter than the combination of New Mexico's and anchos. So, if you like it hot, go ahead and use the ancho or the Anaheims. But I would totally recommend the New Mexico's and ancho chilies if you can find them. Still good. It's a little hot. I'm gonna taste our broth real quick here. I have a little bit of soy sauce since we're doing the fusion. About another 1/8 of a cup, 2 tablespoons. Math. And a tablespoon of rice vinegar. Stir. It smells phenomenal. I'll tell you that.
Agreed.
Okay, we have our cooked cheap ramen noodles. We're gonna get us some of our consomme here, broth if you will, whatever you want to call it. It's technically a consomme. It's broth, whatever. Get as much or little as you want. And this is the best part. You can put whatever you want on top of it. Okay? Obviously, I'm gonna go with some cilantro. I'm also gonna go with a couple lime wedges. Some radishes, paper thin I sliced on the mandolin. Some of those in there for some color. Take a good portion of our birria meat. Right up on there. Make sure you don't get any bones. If you're using anything with bones, you can use chuck roast. I use beef shank. See right there. Don't eat the bone. Some Smash Bros. Kimchi. I did for a different video. Keep an eye out for that in the future. And a little green onion all over the top.
Look at that excited boy. Look at that excited boy. Oh, look. Another excited boy. No chopsticks? Yeah, that's... You know, because last time needed a fork.
No, but for real, this is really good. Why is it spicy?